Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are using the Realme Narzo 90X and in this video I'll show you how to manage notification settings easily. If notifications are not showing properly and you want to customize them, don't worry. Just follow the steps carefully. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Now without wasting any time, let's get started.